Have you heard of uterine cleansing? Cleaning the uterus is not a common practice among women, and it is necessary to take care while doing it. Even though we seem the same, with the same structure of organs, etc., it is important to remember that our bodies are different, and so everyone reacts differently to a treatment. And it is no different when we talk about uterine cleansing. If you have any doubts about how to naturally cleanse your uterus, talk to your gynecologist or naturopath and analyze with them the necessity of including any of these teas in your daily routine. Among the benefits of this practice, we can mention the protection of the female reproductive system, since it removes the remains of the endometrium that stays in the uterus after periods, postpartum, or post-abortion. If you don't know, the endometrium is a layer that coats the uterus and becomes the period when there is no pregnancy. Did you know that? When a woman does an endometrium cleansing, she can prevent the development of some diseases and increase the chances of pregnancy without risk. Besides that, this cleansing is a way of improving blood flow in the uterus, keeping it stronger and healthier. Learn now 3 tea recipes to cleanse your uterus. St. John's wort tea. St. John's wort has many medicinal properties, including the capability of relaxing the smooth musculature around the uterus and reducing period cramps. To make it, you will need 1 cup of water and 1 dessert spoon of St. John's wort leaves. Do not use the flowers to make this tea, since they can be toxic. Remove the flowers, if there are any, or use the herb before it blooms. To make it, warm the water until it almost boils. Turn off the heat and add the leaves. Cover with a lid and wait for it to cool down a little. Then strain and drink according to your doctor's recommendations, up to 3 cups a day. Damiana. Do you know this plant? Damiana has been used for many centuries to increase libido, since it helps improve blood circulation in women's private area. Amazing, isn't it? To make this tea, you will need 0.7 to 0.14 ounces of dried Damiana leaves and 1 cup of boiling water. To make the tea, just combine the ingredients and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. After it cools down a little, strain and drink it up to 3 times a day. Raspberry. Raspberry tea is well known among women. It is a powerful homemade medicine to ease labor. However, it can also be used after pregnancy to remove the pieces of the endometrium and other tissues that weren't fully eliminated, making the uterus go back to normal. Write down the ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of chopped raspberry leaves and 1 cup of boiling water. It is simple to make it. Just combine all ingredients, cover with a lid, and let it rest for up to 10 minutes. Strain and wait until it cools down a little. Drink 1 to 3 cups a day. Even if studies indicate that raspberry doesn't affect the beginning of a pregnancy, pregnant women should avoid its consumption, unless recommended by an obstetrician or phytotherapist. Besides that, since these teas clean the uterus and promote uterine contractions to eliminate the residues of the endometrium, pregnant women must not drink them, and nursing women must avoid their consumption, okay? Subscribe to the channel.